Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today you'll listen to a simple story about Tom and Emma. They just arrived in Taiwan and are ready to start their trip. I will speak slowly and clearly, so please relax and enjoy listening. Before we start, here is today's question. What food does Tom try for the first time? Please listen carefully to find the answer. If you find it, let me know your answer in the comments. This will help you improve faster. All right, let's get started.
We're finally in Taiwan. I'm so excited.
Yeah, we made it. The flight was good, but I'm a bit tired actually.
Really? I still have a lot of energy. I want to go out right away.
I understand, but maybe we should take it slow. I feel a little tired and hungry.
Okay, that makes sense. Let's eat first.
Yeah, I think I'll feel better after eating something.
Good idea. Food always comes first. Look around. There are so many restaurants here.
Yeah, there are a lot of choices. It's a bit hard to decide.
That's part of the fun. Let's try something local.
Okay, but maybe not something too strong for my first meal.
Haha, all right. Let's find a place that looks easy to try.
That sounds good.
Hello, welcome. Table for two?
Yes, please.
This way.
Thank you.
Here is the menu.
There are so many dishes. I don't know what to choose.
Yeah, but that's exciting.
Excuse me. What do you recommend?
Our beef noodle soup is very popular. It's not too strong.
That sounds good. Is it spicy?
No, it's not spicy.
Okay, I'll have that.
Sure.
What is this dish?
That is a local dish. It has vegetables and meat. The flavor is a bit strong.
Is it very strong?
A little, but many people like it.
Okay, I'll try it.
Great choice. Anything to drink?
Just water, please.
Same for me.
Thank you. Your food will be ready soon.
I'm glad I asked. That helped a lot.
Yeah, asking questions is important.
I feel more relaxed now.
Me too. It's nice here.
Here is your order.
That looks really good.
This is great. It's warm and rich.
That's good. Mine is interesting. The flavor is strong, but I like it.
Really? What does it taste like?
It's hard to explain. It's different, but good.
Maybe I'll try a little later.
You should. It's fun to try new things.
Yeah, I'll try. I already feel better after eating.
Same. Food really helps.
Do you want to walk around after this?
Maybe a little, but it's quite hot.
Yeah, it's hotter than I expected.
Let's not walk too much then.
Good idea. Maybe we should rest before going out tonight.
Yeah, I want to enjoy the night market later.
That rest was perfect. I feel much better now.
See, I told you.
Yeah, you were right.
Are you ready to go?
Yes, let's go to the night market.
I've been waiting for this. Wow, there are so many people.
Yeah, it's crowded, but exciting.
Look at all the food.
I don't know what to try first.
Let's walk around and look. Oh, what is that?
Let's ask. Excuse me, what is this?
This is stinky tofu.
Stinky tofu?
Yes, it smells strong, but tastes good.
Is it spicy?
No, not very spicy.
I'm not sure.
Come on, let's try it.
It smells a bit scary.
Just one bite.
Okay, just a small bite.
Here you go.
Oh, it's not bad. The smell is strong, but the taste is good.
I told you.
I'm glad I tried it. What's next?
Let's get bubble tea.
Good idea.
What would you like?
2 bubble teas, please.
Large or small?
Medium, please.
Sugar level?
Normal is fine.
Here you go.
Thank you.
This looks good.
Try it.
It's really good. Sweet and refreshing.
Yeah, it's perfect.
Today was a great day,
Yeah, we did a lot.
and I tried something new.
I'm proud of you.
Thanks. Maybe I'll try more tomorrow.
That's the spirit.
I'm glad we came back to the hotel for a break. I feel much better now.
Yeah, that rest really helped. I was more tired than I thought.
Today was a long day, but a really good one.
Definitely. So many new things. It didn't feel like our first day.
What was your favorite part today?
That's hard. I think the night market was my favorite. It was busy but really fun.
Yeah, I liked it too. At first, I felt a bit overwhelmed, but then I got used to it.
Same. There was so much to see and try.
And the food was great. Even the stinky tofu.
I'm still surprised you liked it.
Me too, honestly. I didn't expect that.
I thought you were going to hate it.
The smell was strong, but the taste was actually good. It was interesting.
That's what I like about traveling. You can try things you don't usually eat.
Yeah, it makes the trip more memorable.
Exactly.
I also liked the restaurant we went to earlier. The food was simple, but really good.
Yeah, and even with the small mistake, everything turned out fine.
Right. I'm glad we said something.
Me too. It was a good experience.
Are you still hungry? Or are you full now?
I'm actually pretty full. What about you?
Same here. I don't think I can eat anything else tonight.
Good, because I don't want to move anymore.
You look really tired now.
I am, but it's a good kind of tired.
Yeah, I feel the same.
So, what do you want to do tomorrow?
I was thinking we could visit a famous place in the morning. Maybe a temple or a museum.
That sounds nice. I want to see something cultural.
And then maybe we can find another local place to eat.
Of course. Food is always part of the plan.
Always. Do you have anything specific you want to try tomorrow?
I want to try more street food. And maybe a different kind of drink.
Like what?
I'm not sure yet. Maybe something fresh and cold.
That sounds good, especially if it's hot again tomorrow.
Yeah, today was warmer than I expected.
We should also start a bit earlier tomorrow.
Yeah, that's a good idea. We can see more that way.
So maybe breakfast around 8?
Maybe 9?
9 sounds more realistic.
Thank you. I need a little more sleep.
Fair enough. We can take it easy in the morning.
That sounds perfect.
I'm really happy we came here.
Me too. It's already been a great trip.
And it's only the first day.
Exactly. I'm excited for tomorrow.
Same here.
All right, I think I'm ready to sleep.
Yeah, me too. Let's get some rest. Good night.
Good night. Good morning. I still feel a bit sleepy.
Good morning. Yeah, I didn't want to get out of bed either, but I feel okay now.
What time is it?
It's a little past 9.
That's not too bad. I thought it would be later.
Same. I think we got enough rest.
I'm still a little tired, but I'm excited for today.
Me too. Today should be fun.
Should we get something to eat first?
Yeah, I'm starting to feel hungry.
Do you want to eat at the hotel or go out?
Let's go out. I want to try something local again.
Good idea. I saw a small cafe near the hotel yesterday.
Perfect. Let's try that place.
Good morning.
Good morning.
What would you like?
Can I get a coffee and a sandwich?
I'll have the same, please.
Okay. Anything else?
That's all for now.
Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you.
This place is nice. It's quiet and relaxing.
Yeah, it feels very comfortable here.
I like how simple everything is.
Me too. Feels more local.
Our food is here.
That was fast.
Let's eat.
This is really good. The bread is soft and warm.
Yeah, and the coffee is great too. It's strong, but smooth.
This is a good start to the day.
Definitely. I feel more awake now.
Same. I needed this.
So, where do you want to go first today?
I was thinking about visiting a temple.
That sounds good. I've seen some pictures online, and they look beautiful.
Yeah, I want to see something traditional.
Do you know how to get there?
Think so, but let me check.
Okay,
It looks like we need to take a train.
that's fine. I like using public transportation when I travel.
Me too. Feels more like a real experience.
How long does it take?
About 20 minutes.
That's not bad at all.
Yeah, it's pretty close.
Are we going the right way?
I think so, but I'm not completely sure.
Let's check the map again.
Okay, give me a second.
No problem.
Oh, I see. We need to go this way, not that way.
Ah, okay. Good thing we checked.
Yeah, we were about to go the wrong direction.
That happens when you travel.
Yeah, but it's kind of fun too.
Wow, this place looks amazing.
Yeah, it's even better than I expected.
The buildings are beautiful.
And it's so peaceful here.
It feels very different from the night market.
Definitely. It's much quieter.
I like this atmosphere. It's calm and relaxing.
Me too. It's nice to slow down a bit.
Do you want to walk around and explore?
Yeah, let's take our time.
Look at that detail on the building. It's so intricate.
Wow, you're right. I didn't notice that before.
I'm really glad we came here.
Me too. This was a great idea.
This trip keeps getting better.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
This is a great spot for a photo. The background looks amazing.
Yeah, I love this view. But it's a bit hard to take a picture of both of us.
Yeah, I was thinking the same thing. Maybe we can ask someone.
That's a good idea. Let's find someone nearby.
Excuse me, could you take a photo for us?
Sure, no problem.
Thank you so much.
Of course. Ready?
Yes, thank you.
Okay, I'm ready.
1, 2, 3.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, we really appreciate it.
No problem. It looks like a nice photo.
Let's check it.
Oh, this turned out really good.
Yeah, I like it a lot. The background looks perfect.
I'm glad we asked someone.
Me too. It's much better than trying to do it ourselves.
This is going to be a great memory.
Definitely. Do you want to look around a little more?
Yeah, but I saw a small shop over there. It looks interesting.
Oh yeah, I see it. Let's check it out.
Maybe they have some local items.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
Please take your time.
Thank you.
Look at these. They're really cute.
Yeah, they look handmade.
I wonder what this is. Excuse me, what is this?
That's a traditional decoration.
Oh, I see. It's beautiful. How much is it?
It's $300.
That's not too expensive. I kinda want to get one. Okay, I'll take it.
Thank you very much.
Good choice. That was a nice little shop.
Yeah, I'm glad we went in.
Do you want to keep walking or take a break?
Honestly, I'm getting a little tired.
Same. Let's find a place to sit.
I see a cafe over there.
Perfect. Let's go.
I could really use a cold drink.
Hello. What can I get for you?
One iced coffee, please.
And one iced tea, please.
Sure.
It feels good to sit down.
Yeah, my feet were starting to hurt a little.
Today has been really nice so far.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying it.
The temple, the photo, the shop, everything has been great.
I agree. It's been a really good day.
I'm glad we didn't rush.
Me too. Taking our time made it better.
What do you want to do next?
Maybe we can just walk around slowly after this.
That sounds good. Let's just enjoy the rest of the day.
Exactly.
How was the story? Did you enjoy listening? Now, let's go back to the question. What food does Tom try for the first time? Did you catch the answer? If you did, try writing it in English. Small practice like this helps you improve step by step. I will share more simple English stories like this. So if you enjoyed it, feel free to follow along. Thanks for listening today. See you in the next lesson.